In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a hand pointer icon in Figma in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful trick if you're designing interfaces, buttons, tutorials, or anything where you want to add a clear pointing hand icon quickly and easily. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical Figma tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Figma and start a new design file, or open in an existing design where you want to place the icon. Once you're inside the Figma design workspace, look at the bottom toolbar and find the Actions icon. Click that Actions icon, then choose Plugins and Widgets from the menu. This is where you can access helpful tools that extend Figma's functionality. Next, in the search bar, type Iconify and open the plugin. Iconify is a popular plugin because it gives you access to a huge library of icons without needing to leave Figma or download anything manually. After the plugin opens, use the search field inside Iconify and type hand pointer. You may see several variations, so take a moment to browse through the results and find the style that best fits your project. You might prefer an outline icon, a filled icon, or a more minimal pointer shape depending on your design. Once you find the hand pointer icon you want, simply drag and drop it directly onto the canvas. You can then resize it, change its color, and position it wherever you need it in your layout. If the icon doesn't look quite right at first, you can always go back to Iconify and try another version until you find the perfect match. And that's it. You've now created a hand pointer icon in Figma using a fast and simple method. This is a great skill to have because it saves time and keeps your workflow smooth when you need icons quickly. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Figma tips, tricks, and beginner-friendly design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.